Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Top Scholars. Today, we'll be discussing about introduction to substances in daily life. So, friends, let's start with objects and substances. There are numerous objects that are present around us. But what are these objects made up of? Yes, objects are made up of substances, and these objects and substances have a specific shape and arrangement which helps us in identifying them. For example, here you can see we have a chair, a cupboard, and a table. You can easily look at these substances, these objects, and identify them as wooden objects. Similarly, here we have a toothbrush, a plastic bucket, and an alarm clock. By looking at these objects, by looking at their shape and their arrangement, we can easily identify these objects as plastic objects. Now here I have a leather jacket, some leather bags and purses. By looking at the shape, the arrangement, and the appearance of these objects, you can easily identify these objects as leather objects. Now friends, we said that objects are made up of substances, right? But what are substances? Yes, substances are something which are made up of very, very small particles. And these substances are the ones which provide strength to the objects. So now friends, you can use the same substance for making different objects. For example, aluminium can be used for making objects like utensils as well as electrical cables. So here we have two objects. One is the utensil and the other is the electrical cable. Both these objects are made up of the same substance, and that is aluminium. So, the same substance can be used for making different objects. Now friends, these substances can be classified into two types, that is, natural substances and man-made substances. Natural substances can be further classified into two types, and that is, biotic substance and abiotic substance. To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.